Now, this is my Amazon Basics 26-inch Hardside spinner. It has a protective extra thick ABS hard shell and scratch resistant black finish, or you can get an orange finish or a blue finish. It is fully lined with a 150D polyester interior organizer with dividers and 3 zippered pockets. Expandable for up to 15% more packing space. Let's take a deeper dive and check it out. So in terms of the luggage set for Amazon Basics, this is like kind of like a hard soft case. So it's similar to what you would find on your Tumis and your Samsonites. So let's open it. It has the 4 spinner wheels on the bottom. It has one single zipper that goes all around. You have a easy to grab handle here, and we're gonna take it out. So inside of the suitcase, you're gonna have this one large pocket, including with the 2 mesh zippers. You have one area for toiletries or shoes. You also have these straps to hold down your clothes so they don't pop out. So let's talk about why this might be the right suitcase for you. For one, it has a hard shell, so if you're worried about the airport manhandling your bags, this is going to make it a lot easier to protect your stuff. And it is expandable, so you have more space. It comes with the built-in compartments, as well as it has large zippers and pull tabs. You can also buy it as a set. So let's take another deep dive. After you pack your suitcase, you can just close it up. Double zipper. And take it with you. There you go. It comes with a carrying handle here. And the handle, this is the max height on the handle. And this is on the Amazon Basics suitcase.
Hi everyone, this is a review of my Amazon Basics luggage set. This is a set of 3 and I have the other 2 in here, buried under a ton of stuff. So if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna stick to this small one. But I assure you that they are all exactly the same in terms of internal construction and features. So this is the smallest one. I use this as a carry-on, never had a problem with it. The middle one is technically too big for your carry-on, but if your airline's nice, they'll let you fly with it. In terms of features, one half of this does zip up to close. It has pockets over here and here. There is a divider in the middle that also has a zippered pocket. I use that for contact lenses. This side, there's some air in here, not sure why, just standard storage. And this thing, which clips over the other side to give you like a strap down if you have any things you don't want to fly around in there. Love these, great construction, solid, never had a single problem. The handles, the mechanism, great, no problems here, no wobbliness, wiggliness, anything like that. And it does slide like this, so no annoying drags of the thing through the airport either. I'm a big fan of this item, highly recommend it, great value for money, great quality. Maybe throw a sticker on there like I did, because there's so many of these out there, it might be easy to mix up. Thanks for listening.